we'll start from the periodic table, why we use and why we have a periodic table in chemistry. Because in chemistry, we study about so many things, like we have to study about the elements, we have to study about the compounds, metals, and non-metals. As we say that everything in this universe, in this earth, is made up of a atom, made up of particles and made up of atom. And every atom is surrounded by a electron that revolves around its orbit, and it has number of neutrons and protons. So if we take any element, any compound, any metal, any non-metal, it means that they will have an atom. They will have atomic number, they will have mass number, and they will have electrons. Okay, if they have electrons, that electrons is revolving in their orbit. If they are one, then it will be a one shell. If they are two, three, four, more than so many electrons, more than 15, more than 10, then we have the large number of shells as well, in which they have to revolve. So according to this, if a one element starts from a one atom, goes to the 52, 63 atoms, then it is arranged to their according to their atomic numbers. So first thing you have to write first you have to understand, then you have to write the definition of a periodic table. Okay, a table in which the chemical elements elements that shows some chemical changes in them. Okay, elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number. If any element that goes through some kind of chemical changes, chemical reaction, it will increase its atomic numbers. If one element starts from the helium, hydrogen, it has a smallest atomic number. When it goes to the next number, next metals, next element, next compound, then the atomic number will be increases. And every element in the periodic table is arranged according to the least to the highest. Okay, so we are done with the basic history of the metals periodic table. Now we have to understood the concept of periodic table. Now we have to go to the next topic, that what are the properties of periodic table. Then we have to understand the few pro- uh, properties that properties contained by every element in the periodic table. It will show some kind of atomic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, electron negativity, metallic character, and other so many things. Okay, so every element in the periodic table shows a different kind of properties, and every properties undergoes because of the ionization, oxidation, reduction, and so many things. Okay, so we'll start the topic. This is the basic concept of periodic table. So periodic table is arranged like this. If I give you the basic diagram of periodic table, is like this. Okay, so periodic table is basically in the form of group and periods. Today we have to do the groups and periods. So we will start, and in the form of rows. Why? The vertical, for example, if we have this, if we have a vertical, the vertical columns in the periodic table are known as groups. Here, the elements that are arranged like in this direction from, like they are going from lowest to the highest, they are arranged in the form of groups. And every group have their different valence shell, have different electrons, and the different kind of electrons that are revolving in their valence shells. And every element has a different valence shell from each other because they are increasing by their atomic number. So this is the vertical column in which we arrange the groups, and the elements of the groups exhibit similar chemical and physical properties. It means that every element in the groups exhibit the similar physical and the chemical properties. And the horizontal rows are called periods. And on this direction from the lowest to the highest, we have a periods. Okay, got it? Okay, so we have to do the next thing. How elements are arranged in groups and periods in periodic tables. This is also a very basic concept that you that question maybe came into your exam will be that important kind of thing, that how elements are arranged in periodic table according to their, if we have so many elements and we have to place them in a different groups in a different periods, how we can arrange them. This is a basically elements in the periodic table arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. Atomic number means proton numbers. Elements with the same number of electron shells are arranged in the horizontal rows, which is known as periods, and the elements with the similar properties are arranged in the vertical column. So this is the how they are arranged. So first thing you have to write the question, which is a very important question, that how elements are arranged, how elements are arranged. The question number one of today's lecture, how elements are arranged in groups and periods in periodic table. They're arranged because of their physical and chemical properties. Why they are arranged like that? They are arranged because of their physical and chemical properties. So you have to write the answer of this. Elements in the periodic table are arranged in order. Elements in the periodic table Elements in the periodic table are arranged in order of increasing atomic number means which number? Proton. Elements with the same number of electron shells are arranged in horizontal atoms, which are known as periods, and that are arranged in vertical lines. They are in the form of arranged in groups. Oh, and why are this arrangement happens? Elements with the same number of electron shells. Every element that has the same number of electron in their shell, they are arranged in the horizontal rows. Okay, they are arranged in the horizontal rows, like in periods. So any other element that with the similar properties are arranged in vertical column. So here we have, let me open the PDF. Have you opened it? Okay, so you have to open that PDF during the lecture. Yes. So uh, this is a basic that how elements are arranged in groups and periods in periodic table. So the next thing is understandable by this. What is the direction of groups and what is the direction of periods? Periods are like this and groups are like this. So this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. So we have to write the next definition. We have to continue it, that elements with the same number of electrons. Elements. This is the way why they are arranged. Elements with the same elements with the same number of electrons shell. If they have a common number of electrons, if they have a common number of shell in which the electrons are revolving, that elements will be arranged in horizontal rows, mean in period. Electron shells, elements with the same number of electron shells arranged in horizontal rows in periods. And the next thing, elements with the similar properties. Elements with the similar properties are arranged in groups. So this is the answer of this question, that how elements are arranged in periodic table. The element that are arranged in periods is because of the same number of electron. The element that are arranged in group, this is because of the they have the similar property. Okay, got it. Now we have to continue the lecture. That tell us this